porridge is really healthy and good. It's not super good. The porridge we had in the chicken soup place is the best.
Oh, you like that one better?
Don't you think so?
I think this one's better.
Okay, I think that one is better.
What is your favorite food in Korea?
Is that
The chicken?
chicken soup place. So good.
Food is a big reason to go to Korea. And I think for you, food and shopping is a big reason to go to Korea.
Yes.
My favorite food in Korea. My 3 favorite food in Korea. Oh, I'm starting to do like Asia now. My top 3 food in Asia is no.
Asia, you are so stupid. I'm not going to cut this.
My top 3 food in Korea is number 3, fried chicken. I've been to some of the best fried chicken places in Taiwan. It doesn't even compare to the fried chicken here. I think fried chicken in Korea are much better. T-Mac with chicken together with beer. Super duper good. Number 2 is the Korean classic, which is the kimbap, just the rice roll. And it's available everywhere in the 7-Eleven. You can buy it. It's like the rice triangles in Taiwan, you know. And I love that really so much. And there's a place called Kimbap Heaven. It's a restaurant chain that's everywhere. It's very simple, but I really like to go there and have a kimbap and have some kimchi jjigae or something like that. And my favorite, number 1, best food in Korea is the samgyeopsal, the Korean barbecue.
You didn't even put inside the chicken.
Oh, the ginger one?
Yeah.
No.
Not the ginger one. The
other one?
you had with me.
It's just okay. It's just like plain.
Go share it to the house.
Samgyeopsal, the Korean barbecue with a little bit of fat. My cameraman getting sad now, but anyways, it's super duper good. The chicken soup maybe top 10, I think, but not top 3. I'm sorry, Charlie. So we had really super good porridge, and actually in Insadong we had only 2 things on our bucket list, and one is had the porridge, and the second one, what is the second one again?
The second one is matcha place.
Yeah, because it's possible to buy really good matcha here. Last time we were here we bought super good matcha, and we want to stack up back in Taiwan. We want to bring it back to Taiwan.
기대 앉은 내게 인사를 해. Oh boy. 역시 넌 받아주지.
2 things I bought this one, which is basically the green tea powder that you make your own cup of green tea, and the second thing I bought is the matcha powder, because we could try the matcha latte that they made from this powder, and it was super good, so I bought this one too.